This design I call Rainbow Rocket, and it's a great one for boys that can't make up their minds, or they want a rainbow, and you can say, well, do you want a rainbow rocket? So I'm going to use Topo first. Here, let's start our... I'm going to use Topo to create the space. And I come up on their hairline, and I start it and I swoop it around, and then you end at a point. And then I'm going to load up some Mexico cake. And I grab the dark part on the tip of my brush. And I started angling my fins down a little bit. I thought it looked more Flash Gordon-ish. So I come up and do this, come up and do this, and then I make the rocket. And it might take me a couple of times to actually do this, to make it the shape I want. See how that's a little too pointy? So I'm going to come back and kind of round out that tip. And if you want to, if you're feeling confident, you can come in and make a third fin, just with a little blob like that. Now if you had to at a very busy event, you could stop right there. But we're going to add a little bit of blue for the window. And I always talk to them and say, oh, we need a window for our astronauts to look out of. And I'll put a teal blue window in the middle. That's another stopping place. Okay, but to finish it off, I usually do some stars, dots. Load up my white on a small brush, like a number 2. And I'll come in and make some stars. And you can ask them if they want glitter on their space. Makes it look even cuter. And let's do a little rim around the window. Okay, that's a complete design. So a little bit over 2 minutes for a rainbow rocket.